Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Billy who lived in a small village by the sea. Billy loved to fish, and he would spend hours casting his line into the ocean, hoping to catch something special. One day, Billy was fishing in his favorite spot when he felt a tug on his line. He pulled, and finally, he reeled in a big, sparkly fish. The fish was unlike any Billy had ever seen before. It had scales that shimmered like jewels, and its eyes glowed with a magical light. Billy was amazed by the fish, and he gently placed it in a bucket of water. As he watched the fish swim around, he couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder. Suddenly, the fish spoke to Billy in a voice that was like the gentle lapping of waves. "Hello," the fish said. "My name is Finny, and I am a magical fish." Billy was speechless. He had never met a talking fish before, and he didn't know what to say. Finny continued, "I have been watching you fish for a long time, and I am impressed by your kindness and patience. As a reward, I will grant you 3 wishes." Billy was overjoyed. He had always dreamed of having 3 wishes, and now his dream was finally coming true. He thought for a moment, and then he made his first wish. "I wish for a boat," he said. In an instant, a beautiful sailboat appeared in the harbor. It was the most beautiful boat Billy had ever seen, and he couldn't wait to sail it. Finny smiled and said, "Your wish is my command." Billy made his second wish. "I wish for a magical fishing rod," he said. In an instant, a magical fishing rod appeared in Billy's hand. The rod had a glowing tip that would always point him to the best fishing spot. Finny smiled again and said, "Your wish is my command." Billy made his third wish. "I wish for all the children in the village to be happy," he said. In an instant, all the children in the village were filled with joy. They laughed and played together, and they were happier than they had ever been before. Finny smiled and said, "Your wish is my command." Billy thanked Finny for his gifts, and he promised to use them wisely. He sailed his new boat around the world, catching all sorts of amazing fish. He used his magical fishing rod to help others, and he always made sure to share his catches with the children in the village. And so, Billy lived happily ever after, thanks to the magic of the little fish named Finny.